A whole year since Hawaii. Can you believe that? This is gonna be Harry's room. Show me your room, Harry. There it is. Alright, baby. Where are we headed today?
Paris.
And how's it going so far?
Great. It's easy peasy. We're tired.
We are a horde and a show all unto ourselves. No! Don't like being a big family. But are you excited to go to Paris, Lucy? Nice. Better not lose that retainer on the top.
Am I shaking my backpack?
I believe so, but we're gonna see.
If they say no.
All we know is Ryanair is a real pain. We'll never look normal with 5 kids. And when you guys are big, it'll look like we're a tour group. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Beautiful sunrise outside. We're all really exhausted. We've been up now for 5 hours. It's a long time. When normally we're not even awake yet. But the flight's gone pretty smooth. We heard really bad things about Ryanair, but as long as you read the directions, it really wasn't too bad. I just had to buy extra bags, print our boarding passes, and then it was really sweet. Hey Grant, look at mommy. Blow your air. Welcome to France! Haley!
It's a bit too cold.
It's a bit too cold. Welcome to Paris. We just got to our apartment. It's really cute. It's in a gated apartment building with a playground. So I think it's gonna be a good fit. I'll take you around really quick and show you. I'm a little nervous because we've already been asked to be quiet. We haven't even arrived yet. They seem to be pretty sensitive to that here. And I booked a first floor thinking it was ground level, but I always forget that everywhere else in the world, floor number 1 is not ground level. That's 0. I don't know what's below us. The landlord was like, oh, I'm not worried about the people below you. I'm worried about the one above you. But she has a child, so hopefully we're okay. Thankfully there's hopefully a lot of things to entertain the kids. So let me show you around. So here's the main living area.
No!
This is gonna be Harry's room. Harry, whoa. Where are you gonna put your Legos?
I know, in my drawer.
In the drawer. Whoa. Love all the light. That's for sure. Hey, no jumping. And here's our kitchen. So it looks like a pretty good kitchen. I'm seeing a toaster and a dishwasher. I didn't bring, we had all these leftover dishwasher things. And I was like, I'm not even gonna bring it because nowhere ever has a dishwasher. So, of course, the one that I decided not to. This is gonna be for Grant Lincoln, Lucy and Grace. Here's our washer dryer and a shower bathroom. Here's another shower bathroom, which we're gonna call the master bathroom. And lastly, mommy and daddy's room. And dad gets a legit desk, which always makes him really happy. Welcome to another day. Tomorrow's Halloween. Not that the Parisians care about that, but we do.
And we're going to Mickey's Halloween party second
No, they
year in a
don't.
row.
Yep, going to Mickey's Halloween party. That's one of the reasons we came to Paris early. And we're going as Tron. All right, well, we're headed to the metro. We've got our cards. You gotta have a passport ticket here to get a train card. And it's pretty serious, but the metro is so easy to use. And check out Lucy's adorable Italian leather jacket.
I have my other ticket. This is a one-day ticket. These are forever tickets.
No, not forever. We got 1 week and 1 month. No, you have school. We're not going to Disneyland until nighttime.
Is it full school?
Full school.
What?
Yes, you guys all went to school on Halloween many times.
No, but Mommy, they don't go to school. They go to school that has fun.
No, they have regular school too.
You have me,
Watch out, Harry. Okay, hold your card until we get through.
Dad, Grant. We're missing one.
I have mine.
That doesn't look like me.
Not much anymore. Alright, come on this way. And then give the cards to Mommy. I only have 3 out of 6. Okay, if you lose it, it's 110 euros. Hey, buddy, you have no way to pay us back. Lucy at least can babysit.
What?
To be a quarter bill. I mean 3. And the rockets.
Watch out, someone's coming off. There we go. Perfect. Harry, there's a seat right there. Say thank you, say merci.
Are you excited? Are you excited to go get some food? Yeah. And to go to the Eiffel Tower? Yeah. Yay! How you doing, Mama?
Pretty good. Excited to get out.
Stole my hat.
Oh, what?
Are you a kitty cat?
In the high school.
Pretty cool, right?
It is massive.
Oh, so pretty, isn't it?
Super pretty. Dance, boys. Sing and dance. Show me. Show me some dance moves, Harry. Oh, yay. So pretty. Look at what we just spotted. Da, 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 da. There it is. Well, Daddy had to go home to work. I'm trying to go out with 5 kids. Lucy's a big helper.
I am Gracie's hand warmer.
I think that's the Grand Palace, but I don't know what that means.
Look at that slide.
Oh, fun! How's that ice cream, Gracie? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Extra caramel. caramel.
Extra caramel. Can mommy have a bite since I bought it? What do we say, Harry?
Thank you.
I got a Haribo with gummy bears that we'll be able to have.
There's gummy bears in it? What?
Ice cream in winter.
Mm.
My favorite.
Hot chocolate earlier and ice cream now. Oh.
Extra sugar.
Well, it is Halloween tomorrow. Can you believe it's tomorrow?
Yes.
Halloween is tomorrow.
Sometimes I can't believe. I remember that last year. It's been a whole year.
A whole year on our trip.
When it was the other Halloween,
Oh.
I just can't believe
A whole year since Hawaii. Can you believe that?
Yes!
Give me something good to eat.
Get rid of our candy. Why did we have to get rid of
Because
our
we were leaving, remember, like the next day.
Then remember we got to sell it to the dentist.
That's right.
And they'd send it to the military. For every pound it's like $5.
That's right. It was awesome. Well, not that much. It was like 50 cents per pound, but
Hey, Ma, you throw the other candy away.
yeah, I do throw some away. That's true.
Why do you not like candy?
It's not good for you.
We're like,
What are you
doing? I like how they sell carrots with the candy.
Why do
Yeah.
you don't like McDonald's?
Because it's not good for you.
Oh.
Whoa! Yay!
No, the lake's still coming from the ground and falling over.
Stuff for Christmas, maybe? Yeah, that's a lot like the one I had, right? What are you practicing?
I have. Hang on. H-A-V-E. Come on, help me. Really? Alright, then do a heart and do you know how to spell your name? Alright, do Harry right here. H. Do you know how to do an A? Look. A. R. Hey, that's how you spell Harry.
I'm excited that he gets to come visit us this year, huh?
Last year he didn't come.
I make this for future memory purposes. Look at the dinner that Leslie and I have been making. The unspeakable, because we speak not its name. Risotto with some cheese. Did you have the cheese already?
Not yet. Add it at the end.
And some chicken.
No, that's for that.
Yeah, that's for that. We've been making dinner together on Sundays, huh, Mommy?
We have.
Yeah.
Super romantic.
Ooh, she said romantic. I might be making dinner with her more often. We're also going to a macaron class.
Yes, making macarons. Macarons. I don't really know how to say it. Macaroons.
Mac Daddy Cookie Rons. So close. Honey, are you gonna miss Paris? Are you gonna miss
I
it?
am. I like Paris a lot. I like a lot about it.
It's hard not to fall in love with the food.
But not to fall in love with the city,
Oh, so
the
good.
lights, architecture, even the language, even though I can't understand it, it's so beautiful.
It is, even when they're yelling at you. Oh yes, keep saying that. I don't know what it means.
I don't know about
kidding.
that.
I'm kidding.
Oh, show us your Christmas letter, Harry.
But
Oh. Here, let it. I think you need to color it a little bit for Santa. Can you color like some red and green on it? Because those are his favorite colors.